Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can make your text italic or how to apply an italic font style to your text on photopea.com. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. So for the sake of this tutorial, I prepared a design like that here with an image background and with two text layers. So what you may do, guys, is either create a new text by using the typing tool, or alternatively, if you already have added the text to your, simply double click on the given text or font to customize it, just like that. That is going to highlight the text, and what you want to do after that, guys, is click on that icon or symbol here with that double T, and that is going to open up that window for you. So here below you will see a list of applicable styles, like for instance a bold text, underlined text, and also italic text or italic font. You may apply it by simply, or you can apply it by simply clicking on it, and as you can see, now that text here is in italic letters, just like this, and you may reverse or undo the effect by simply clicking on that icon again. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on our channel.